Welcome back to the channel, design lovers. If you're dreaming of a home that's sleek, stylish, and effortlessly functional, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of modern home interior design, where clean line and luxurious simplicity come together to create interiors that feel both fresh and timeless. From minimalist living rooms and open-concept kitchens to serene bedrooms and spa-inspired bathrooms, we'll explore the latest design trends and real-life inspiration that you can use to transform your space. So whether you're building, renovating, or just love great design, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's explore how modern interiors can elevate your everyday life. Let's get started. Modern home interior design, a comprehensive overview. Modern interior design has become a cornerstone of contemporary living, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. This design philosophy emphasizes simplicity, clean lines, and a harmonious balance between form and function. In this comprehensive overview, we will delve into the key principles, elements, and trends that define modern home interior design. Defining modern interior design. Modern interior design emerged in the early to mid-20th century, influenced by the modernist movement that prioritized function over form. Characterized by minimalism, neutral color palettes, and the use of natural materials, modern design seeks to create spaces that are both practical and visually appealing. The emphasis is on open floor plans, uncluttered spaces, and a seamless flow between different areas of the home. Core principles of modern interior design: simplicity and minimalism. At the heart of modern design lies the principle of simplicity. This involves eliminating unnecessary elements and focusing on essential features that contribute to the overall functionality and aesthetics of the space. Minimalism is achieved through clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a restrained color palette. Functionality. Every element in a modern interior serves a purpose. Furniture and decor are selected not only for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their practicality. This approach ensures that spaces are efficient and cater to the needs of the occupants. C. Open floor plans. Modern design favors open layouts that promote a sense of spaciousness and facilitate easy movement between different areas. By minimizing the use of walls and partitions, open floor plans create a more cohesive and interactive living environment. Maximizing natural light is a key aspect of modern interior design. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors are commonly used to bring in ample daylight, enhancing the sense of openness and connection with the outdoors. E. Neutral color. Palettes. Modern interiors often feature neutral color schemes, including shades of white, gray, beige, and black. These colors provide a versatile backdrop that allows for the incorporation of accent colors through furniture, artwork, and accessories. F. Use of natural materials. Incorporating natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal adds warmth and texture to modern interiors. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly design approach. Key elements of modern interior design. Furniture. Modern furniture is characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and a focus on functionality. Pieces are often made from natural materials and feature neutral upholstery. Multifunctional furniture, such as storage beds and extendable dining tables, is also common in modern interiors. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern design, both in terms of functionality and aesthetics. Layered lighting, including ambient, task, and accent lighting, is used to create a well-lit and inviting atmosphere. Fixtures often feature sleek designs and are made from materials like metal and glass. C. Textures and patterns. While modern design emphasizes simplicity, incorporating various textures and patterns can add depth and interest to a space. This can be achieved through the use of textiles, such as rugs and cushions, as well as through architectural elements like exposed beams or brick walls. Art and accessories. Art and accessories in modern interiors are typically minimal and carefully curated. Abstract art, geometric sculptures, and statement pieces are commonly used to add personality and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Modern interior design, Trenza. Biophilic design. Biophilic design incorporates natural elements into the built environment, fostering a connection between occupants and nature. This trend includes the use of indoor plants, natural materials, and ample natural light to create a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere. B. Sustainable design. Sustainability is increasingly important in modern interior design. This involves using eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable building practices to reduce environmental impact and promote a healthier living environment. C. Smart home integration. The integration of smart technology into modern interiors enhances convenience and efficiency. This includes features such as automated lighting, climate control systems, and voice-activated assistants that can be seamlessly incorporated into the design. D. Industrial elements. Industrial design elements, such as exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and concrete floors, add a raw and edgy aesthetic to modern interiors. These features can be balanced with softer textures and warm lighting to create a harmonious space. E. Maximalism with a modern twist. While minimalism is a hallmark of modern design, some interiors incorporate maximalist elements in a controlled manner. This includes bold colors, eclectic patterns, and layered textures that add richness and personality to the space. Implementing modern design in different spaces. Living room. In a modern living room, focus on creating an open and inviting space with comfortable seating, functional furniture, and a cohesive color palette. Incorporate natural light, minimalist decor, and statement pieces to enhance the aesthetic appeal. B. Kitchen. Modern kitchens emphasize functionality and clean design. Use sleek cabinetry, integrated appliances, and durable materials like quartz or stainless steel. An open layout with an island or breakfast bar can enhance the usability and social aspect of the space. C. Bedroom. Create a serene and restful bedroom by using a neutral color palette, comfortable bedding, and minimal decor. Incorporate storage solutions to maintain a clutter-free environment, and consider adding natural elements like wood or plants for warmth. D. Bathroom. Modern bathrooms focus on clean lines and efficient use of space. Use materials like glass, stone, and metal to create a sleek look. Incorporate ample lighting and consider features like walk-in showers or freestanding tubs for a luxurious touch. E. Home office. A modern home office should be functional and free of distractions. Use ergonomic furniture, adequate lighting, and organized storage to create a productive workspace. Incorporate personal touches like artwork or plants to make the space inviting.